Top round steak is cheap, lean, and often tough, but today I'm turning it into a melt in your mouth perfection. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Top round is a budget-friendly cut, but if cooked wrong, it's very chewy. Okay? So what is the secret? Marinate it. Sear it. And when you do sear it hot, okay? So you do the sear hot. And you slice it thin against the grain. So you're going to need the oil, olive oil, some garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce. Of course, you're also going to need your salt and pepper for later, okay? So you have one or two choices. You can get a container or you can get a Ziploc bag. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put here in the Ziploc bag 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going extra virgin. I want to add some minced garlic, 1 tooth. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of vinegar. I'm going white, just a little bit, just a tiny sprinkle, okay? Just a little bit. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to submerge the steak. I'm going to put it here and submerge it. And you're going to leave it there for about 30 to 60 minutes, okay? So this is what is going to happen. The acid is going to tenderize. The sugar is going to caramelize. And the flavors are going to penetrate, okay? And I like to close this like this and keep it tight so the flavor centralize. Leave it at room temperature 30 to 60 minutes, okay? So I took the steak out the marinating bag. I'm going to pat it dry. Moisture kills the sear. So that's why you have to pat it dry, okay? Both sides. Add salt. You're going to do this in both sides, okay? You're going to add salt in both sides. I put a little bit of oil and I heat the gas iron to smoking hot, okay? I'm going to add some cracked black pepper. And this one, you know what I did? I put some crushed red peppers too. Personal touch. And some lime zest. I added the steak and I'm going to let it cook for a couple minutes on each side. And I'm going to touch it, move it around and nothing. Just cook it for 2 minutes on one side. Then later I'm going to flip it and do the same. 2 minutes later. And I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes to lock in the juices. So I slice the steak thin against the grain. And that's how you turn the tough cut tender. And if you want to boost the flavor, You can pour some of the leftover pan juices over your slices or serve with some chimichurri for a fresh punch if you want to. And there you have it. Tender, juicy, top, round steak for a fraction of the cost of a fancy cut. So please comment which cut I should transform next, and I will do it for you.